Accessories. That's what we can add to your systems, such as rubber ramps to go over the trucks. And we also provide overlinked LiDAR sensors. So 10 and 20 Parks knows that if he didn't go all the way to the tire stop or press the tires too much, it will trigger a LiDAR sensor. It doesn't have to get out of the vehicle and go realize at the kiosk, oh man, I didn't park the right way. So if we press the tires too close or the vehicle is actually a little longer than standard, it will trigger the LiDARs, and before it gets out, it's like, oh yeah, I parked too far, and I can repark a little bit, and then the LiDARs will go off. Again, if the vehicle is a little bit too long, the lights will go on, and we can readjust the vehicle the way parked, and then knowing while you're still in the vehicle how to make it better, and then more customer satisfaction basically. Same goes for the other side on the sensors. In the back we have a set right here and a set right here. These are standard, but the LiDARs are actually accessories that we provide. Again, see, I'm directly longer than the vehicle standing, and that's why LiDARs are blinking right now.